Hi guys, I am back for my second unboxing of my Sage Goddess stuff. So let's get into this unboxing. Like before, I do not remember what I got. I already opened the box to, make it simple. But I have my scissors, and I have my scissors as well. We're just gonna cut in. Being careful, but cutting in. I hope you and yours have been doing really well. We have been doing great over here. Just staying positive and upbeat and doing everything we can to take care of each other and enjoy life. Oh, what do we have here? Let me open it. And as I said before, Sage Goddess is really good about how they package their stones. And they send everything to us in these little sachets, and every stone comes with a description of what it is and basic information about what its properties are for. Now this is healer's gold, and it has a little leaf of white sage so that you can clear your crystals when you receive them. But oh my goodness, stunning, stunning, stunning. Healer's Gold. And in this one, Healer's Gold is a mixture of pyrite and magnetite, two powerful stones for grounding, healing, focus, manifestation, magic. It boosts the energy of healers and serves as a buffer during healing work, keeping you centered, grounded, and energized. So because I am a healer in many different ways, and sometimes I am also, like with family and friends, I am working to heal my loved ones. I have to have a little something to make sure that I'm okay too. What do we have here? So I thought that would be a good addition to my collection. What is this, you guys? What is it? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is silver kyanite. Careful now. Silver kyanite. Make sure it focuses. Boom, there it is. Wow, look at you. And it came on a silver chain. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. And the kyanite is a good clearing stone. Silver kyanite is basically black kyanite, and it's dipped in silver. And so it is grounding. This stone is grounding, clearing, energizing, and it awakens the divine feminine. So black kyanite, you can actually clear your other stones and even your energy field with. Just by touching your other stones with the black kyanite, you can you clear it. It automatically clears. So I thought that this was something beautiful that I could wear, and anytime I need to clear stones that I might have in my medicine bag when I'm, traveling. And when I say traveling, I mean when I'm going to lay hands on and heal somebody or work my healing magic. Uh-oh. So I thought this would be something. I think I would be draped in crystals. I'm not even gonna lie. There are several crystals that I think would be good for me to wear while I am doing my work. Ooh, 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 ooh. Loves it. And like I said before, I am going to come back in and just do some videos about different crystals, that I think you guys might be interested in hearing about. Yes, oh my goodness, you guys. I don't know what it is. This is a throat chakra stone. This is my blue. This is blue apatite, I think. Or is it azurite? Sometimes I get them mixed up. Ammonite. Still wrong. But oh my goodness, I love Ammonite. I love this stone. This is the throat chakra stone. And sometimes I have a little bit of challenge with articulating my thoughts because they're all running around at the same time, coming to the forefront. And I want to be able to express my thoughts easily. And I also want to, I think of a lot of things, and this is another piece. This is like my third, and they smell good too. This is my third, they don't naturally smell good, but it's like perfumes from Sage Goddess. I know I smell some aromas, fragrances. Yeah, these are my second and third pieces. The first piece I gifted to someone else who it's actually helping. You know, they're having issues with their speech, and it is helping them get better with their speech. So yeah, there are other healing properties to Ammonite, and we can get into that in another video. But I'm really attracted to those blue stones. I don't know what it is, but before I even started collecting the blue stones, I noticed I was wearing a lot of blue, and blue has never been my color, you know. I would always wear a lot of black or red, you know, like the oranges, maybe the olive drabs or something, but never, oh my gosh, I forgot I bought this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot I bought this. Oh, let me get it out. I can't get it out of the thing fast enough. Okay, this is an Ammonite. Oh, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. It is exactly what you think it is. So Ammonites were creatures that lived about 400 million years ago. And this stone is alive with ancient wisdom. Ammonite is grounding, healing, and revitalizing. The spiral shape symbolizes the continual evolution and growth. And it will support you on your spiritual path. But can you believe this? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at this. Look. Focus. Look at that. This is like, I got my hands on a for real fossil. Wow. Oh my goodness. You see the details in this piece? Stunning. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Now this is something totally new for me. I've never collected a fossil-like type piece before. So yeah. And what is this? This is a bigger piece, a bigger item. It's lightweight though. Let me think, what is it? What could it be? I'm not even gonna try to guess. If you don't, I'm trying to cut it. Oh, yes. Much needed. You guys. Ta-da! This is my Smudge Bowl, where I will be keeping my sage bundles. White sage, black sage. Boom. This is my bowl. It will be back there on my altar. I actually need another one of these, if I'm being honest, because I have a lot of sage and a lot of areas that I want to burn it in. But this is all natural. And yeah. Look at that. You know what? I lied earlier because I said, look at that mother of pearl in there. Oh my goodness. I've collected shells before. I was saying that was the first fossil type thing, and that is a shell technically. So, okay, and wait, there's one more thing in here, two more things. What do I have? Okay, this is the polarizer. Palotizer. This is the hand cleanser that I got in my last box. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sage Goddess. But I also got something else, and I don't remember ordering this, so I think this is my free gift. I got a perfume sample, White Light, and I also got a piece of chrysocolla, a small piece of, and there's the sage. You see the sage leaf in there, and this small piece of chrysocolla. This was free. And chrysocolla represents the union of masculine and feminine. It is a throat chakra stone. And let's see. Yeah, this is cute. And let's see. It's the throat chakra stone of compromise, negotiation, and reconciliation. It provides protection from psychic attack and mental abuse. And it increases patience, flexibility, and freedom. So thank you once again, Sage Goddess, for another lovely experience. I just love getting things from them. And I know that everything, is that a bird? Ooh, birds. Everything is packaged with love, and I always shop with confidence from this place. Oh my goodness. White Light. I think my favorite, this is probably my top 3 perfumes of Sage Goddess. My other 2 is Purify and Queen Bee. If you would like to see more videos like this, or if you'd like me to talk about crystals a little bit on this channel, which I probably will, but depending on the engagement, that will dictate how many times I do it. Okay, until the next video, live simply and be kind.